Hey there, fellow internet wanderers. If you're tired of your browser looking like a digital junkyard, ads, pop ups, and thousands of tabs open at once, then it's time for a change. Let's talk Zen Browser. It's like a spa day for your browser without the cucumber slices. So let's dive in. First off, Zen Browser is here to help you clear the clutter. Because, let's be honest, your browser might be more messy desk than a Zen garden right now. No judgment, we all been there. With Zen Browser, you get a clean distraction-free interface. So, you can focus on what really matters, browsing the web or avoiding work. Your choice. Now, seriously, you should be working. Don't ignore your duties, okay? And while we're on that note, why are you ignoring that subscribe button and that like button? Go ahead. Hit that smash button. Wait, what? Click that subscribe button and like this video. Let's face it, traditional browsers are like that one friend who always interrupting the conversation. Hey, you've got 43 tabs open. Oh, another ad. Can you please stop? Zen Browser? It's the chill, laid back friend who says, hey, let's just focus on the important stuff and enjoy the moment. Right? You got a friend like that too, right? Right? Maybe not. I know I do. Now, when it comes to speed, oh, let me tell you, Zen Browser got you covered. It's fast, like ninja fast. You know what I mean? You wouldn't have time to get frustrated because things load in the blink of an eye. No more waiting for pages to load while you stare at a spinning wheel of doom. Zen Browser is too chill for that nonsense. I remember a time when loading browsers were a bit frustrating, but with Zen, none of that is here. All right, let's talk about the features, shall we? Zen Browser has, I think, one of the favorite features I've ever seen in a browser. Number one being ad blocker. Finally, a browser that is allergic to ads just like you and me. Number two, it's privacy focused. So for privacy protection, you can trust them to keep your data under wraps, like a secret vault that even your nosy neighbor can break into. Well, I can't guarantee you that, but take that for what it is. Night mode, perfect for those late night web activities. So in the morning, you won't look like a zombie. And finally, focus mode. Zen blocks out distractions like your so-called urgent email and keeps only the essential tabs open. Now, anybody with ADHD will find that feature very useful and they will appreciate it. And hey, Zen Browser isn't just for your desktop. You can take the Zen vibes with you on your mobile too, your cell phones, your iPads. It's like carrying around your peaceful little corner of the internet in your pocket. So, when you're stuck in traffic or waiting for your coffee, you can stay calm while browsing. No chaos over here. In a world full of constant notifications, pop-ups, and overwhelming digital noise, Zen Browser is here to restore balance and tranquility. It's like the of browsers. So go ahead, take a deep breath, breathe up rather, and let Zen Browser guide you to a peaceful, stress-free web experience. What a Zen experience. You catch my drift. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like, and share. And don't forget to try Zen Browser. Okay? Now back to the content. Are you ready to make your browsing experience as calm as a meditation session? Well, then go ahead and download Zen Browser today and see how much more peaceful your online world can be. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because hey, even Zen has its limits. So catch you on the next one and stay Zen.